Good morning. Welcome to the first lecture of Composition 1. In this lecture we will start with the first chapter. Chapter 1, Education and Student Life. In this chapter we will speak about all the points or topics related to education and student life. In fact, we will have a large number of topics such as speaking about universities, campus, colleges, schools. We will also speak about studying abroad, and we will speak about the advantages of small colleges and the advantages of large colleges. In the first slide, we will start with part 1, before you write. There are many steps that you have to follow before you start writing. Step number 1 is choosing a topic. So choose the topic you want to write about. In every time you want to write a paragraph or a composition, you have to choose the topic. For example, in this chapter, by the end of the chapter, you will be asked to write a composition or a paragraph on one of the following topics: the advantages of a large college or the advantages of a small college. Point number 2 is brainstorming. Brainstorming here, by brainstorming we mean writing down the ideas that come to your mind. You have to write the ideas that come to your mind on that topic. You write them at random and spontaneously. All the ideas that come to your mind on that topic. In the same point of brainstorming, the ideas should be related to the topic you chose. So when we start writing our ideas on the sheet of paper, our ideas should be related to the topic we chose. For example, if we chose the topic the advantages of a large college, we have to write only about the advantages of a large college. The third step in before you write is organizing ideas in order of importance. After you jot down your ideas on a sheet of paper at random and spontaneously, you have to organize them in order of importance. One way of doing this is to write about the most important ideas first, then write about the less important ones. So here we start with the most important ideas in our paragraph, and then we move to the less important ones. The fourth step in before you write is writing the topic sentence. In fact, the topic sentence is an important part of the paragraph, because the topic sentence tells the reader the main idea and the general idea of the paragraph. Okay? And also the topic sentence will contain the controlling ideas which will help the writer be relevant to the topic, or the ideas be relevant to the topic and related to the topic. So, point number 1, the topic sentence tells the reader the main idea of the paragraph. So, when you write it, the reader will know what you are going to speak about, or what you are going to write about. One point here I want to tell you is that the topic sentence is a sentence, so it should be a complete sentence with a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop at the end. You should write a complete sentence. If the sentence is not complete, then we don't consider it a topic sentence. Point number 2, it usually comes at the beginning of the paragraph. Our topic sentence usually comes at the beginning of the paragraph. But sometimes it comes as the second sentence, or it comes at the end of the paragraph. The point number 3, a good topic sentence shouldn't be too specific. Your topic sentence shouldn't be too specific, because it needs to relate to all the ideas in the paragraph. So your topic sentence shouldn't be too specific, because if it is so, you cannot write about all the points you want to mention in the paragraph. Also, your topic sentence shouldn't be too general, because if it is too general, you will not be able to limit yourself to the points you want to write about. Okay, you will always have new ideas to write about. Point number 4, in an opinion paragraph, a good topic sentence should clearly state your opinion. So here, if you are writing an opinion paragraph, you should clearly state your opinion from the beginning, from the topic sentence. You will say, you will tell the reader your opinion from the beginning, so that all your supporting ideas and all your examples will support your opinion. We will move now to the next slide, which is in fact an exercise. It is an exercise in the book. It's in part 1. Open your books on page 5. It's the building vocabulary part, using a vocabulary chart. This is a chart in which we have some nouns, some verbs and some adjectives that are important and beneficial to you during this chapter or in this chapter. So you may use these words when you write your paragraphs or when you write sentences about this chapter. Okay? Now we start with the nouns. We will explain all the nouns to you. The first noun is advantage, which means a good thing or a positive thing. The second noun is attendance. Attendance means being present in or going to. The third noun is the campus. The campus is all the buildings which are inside the university. Okay? And then we have disadvantages. Disadvantages is the opposite of advantage. Or disadvantage is the opposite of advantage. It means a bad thing or a negative thing. The next noun is facility. Facility, it's all the services. Facility means a service given by the university or by an institution. The service, when we speak about services, we can mention the library, the laboratory, the gym. Okay. Next we have faculty. Faculty means teachers. The teachers who teach in a university. Next we have the noun location. Location is the place where a building is. For example, the location of King Faisal University is in Hafuf. Okay. Next we have preference. Preference is things that we like best. Okay, things that we like best. The next word or noun is prestige. Prestige means good reputation. Good reputation. And we move to the next noun, which is scholarship. Scholarship is an award or money granted for good students to continue their studies. The next noun is student body. Student body is an organization of students who are doing an activity together. The last noun is tuition. Tuition here means money or money paid for classes or the cost of college classes. We move now to the verbs. We have here a list of verbs. You have 2 verbs here. The first verb is attend. Attend is the verb. Its noun is attendance. Attend means go to. The second verb is prefer. Prefer means I like best. For example, I prefer swimming to football, means I like swimming better than football. Next we have a list of adjectives that may be helpful to you when you write your paragraphs. The first adjective is advantages. Advantages is the adjective from the noun advantage. It means giving good things or beneficial. The second adjective is challenging. Challenging means requiring a lot of effort from you, requiring hard work and more effort from you. The next adjective is diverse. Diverse means of different kinds. The next adjective is huge. What does the word huge mean? It means very large, okay, or very big. Next we have impersonal. Impersonal means not friendly, unfriendly. And the last adjective is prestigious. Prestigious means having a good reputation. The next point is, or exercise 4 is matching words to their definitions. It's on page 5. We will look at the words here and then try to find the definition of the word which has the same meaning as the definition. We start with number 1, اللي هو a good thing. A good thing means advantage. The second definition is the cost of college classes. I think the word that means the cost of college classes is tuition. So here, tuition is the word or the noun that means the cost of college classes. Next we have very large. What is the adjective that means very large? It's huge. Huge is the adjective that means very large. Number 4, a good reputation. The word or the noun that means a good reputation is prestige. So prestige is the noun that means a good reputation. Next we have teachers. Number 5, teachers. The word faculty means teachers. The word faculty means teachers. We move now to number 6, a building, a laboratory, a library. Okay? When we say a building or a laboratory or a library, we mean facility. Good. So facility. The seventh word or the seventh definition is go to. Go to is a verb. It's a verb. From the list of verbs we should find the verb that means the same as go to. It's attend. Attend means go to. We move now to number 8, having many different kinds. We need an adjective here. It's diverse. Diverse means having many different kinds. Number 9, not friendly. From the chart, if we look at the chart, we will find the adjective impersonal, meaning not friendly. Impersonal. Impersonal here means not friendly. And the last definition, number 10, is a bad thing. If you guess, it's disadvantage. It's disadvantage. It's exactly the opposite of advantage. This is our exercise. In the next slide, I will let you see the exercise corrected. Let's go to the next slide and we will see the exercise corrected. So building vocabulary exercise 4, page 5. A good thing, advantage. 2, the cost of college classes, tuition. 3, very large, huge. 4, a good reputation, prestige. 5, teachers, faculty. 6, a building, a laboratory, a library, facility. 7, go to, attend. 8, having many different kinds, diverse. 9, not friendly, impersonal. 10, a bad thing, disadvantage. Good. We move now to the next slide, which is exercise 5, page 6. Here we will be looking at the topic you will write about, discussing advantages, and we have two topics: advantages of a large college and advantages of a small college. Let's look at the first topic, advantages of a large college. Can you mention some of the advantages of a large college? Okay, good. More facilities is one of the advantages of a large college. So here we can say more facilities. If we say a large college, we mean more facilities in it. A next advantage can be a high quality of teaching. High quality of teaching also an advantage of a large college. High quality of teaching is an advantage of a large college. What is also an advantage of a large college? Okay, let's think about another advantage of a large college. Let's say more international students and more cultural interchange. So here in the advantages of a large college, we can say that there are more international students is also an advantage, as the students will interchange the cultures and they will learn from each other. Let's move to the second topic, which is the advantages of a small college. What are some advantages of a small college? One of the advantages of a small college is that students can contact teachers easily. Okay, so students can contact teachers easily. Okay, this is one advantage. Another advantage is that students can make friendships easily, also as the number of students is a small number, so students can make friendships easily. So students can make friendships easily. And then another advantage of a small college is that the building is not very large, so you can navigate easily. Okay, so here you can move easily. Yeah? So it's easy to move from one building to another, or from one classroom to another, okay, in a small college. Good. We will have all the or three advantages for each of these topics in the next slide. Okay, so in the next slide we will have three advantages for each of the following topics. This is the correction for you. So advantages of a large college. Number one, it offers degrees in about every academic field. This is one good point for large colleges. Point number two, there are more facilities. There are more facilities such as libraries, laboratories, buildings. Number three, they offer a high quality of teaching. They offer a high quality of teaching. We move now to the advantages of a small college. The first advantage is that students get along with one another easily. Students get along with one another easily, as the number of students is not very large, so they can get along with one another easily, and they can make friendships easily also. Number two, students have a permanent access to professors. Students can always, or most of the time, find the professors and ask them about the course or ask them about their subjects. Number three, or the advantage number three is that it is easy to navigate. It is easy to navigate, to move inside the building in a small college. Good. We move now to the next slide. The next slide is exercise 10, page 8. Exercise 10, page 8. If you open your book on page 8, you will find this exercise, which is choosing the best topic sentence. Choosing the best topic sentence. In fact, in this exercise we will have 5 topic sentences, and we are going to 5 sentences, and we are going to see which one can be a good topic sentence for us. We start with the first sentence, which is: students who study abroad often can't speak the language well. What do you think? Is this a good topic sentence or not? Well, I don't think that this is a good topic sentence, because here we have an overgeneralization. Overgeneralization. He spoke about, the writer here spoke about all the students who study abroad, and he said that they can't speak the language well. The second point that makes this not a good topic sentence is that it is not logic that students who study abroad can't speak the language well. We move to the second one. Second one says, studying abroad has 3 main advantages. Studying abroad has 3 main advantages. What do you think? Well, I think this is a good topic sentence, as it limits the topic into studying abroad, and it has a controlling idea, which is 3 main advantages. In this topic sentence, we have a controlling idea. It will control the writer, and it will tell him what he will write about exactly. So number 2 is a good topic sentence. Number 3, I believe this for several reasons. Well, this is not a good topic sentence, because here he says I believe this. He doesn't tell the reader what does he believe exactly. Okay, and the sentence is not complete. We cannot consider this as a complete sentence, because he didn't tell us what he believes. So number 3 is not a good topic sentence. Number 4, there are many good schools in foreign countries. There are many good schools in foreign countries. This is a good topic sentence, as the writer gives the controlling idea, or gives the main idea of the paragraph, and also gives a controlling idea. Here, many good schools. Many good schools. He will speak about the good schools where in foreign countries. We move. Well, number 4 is a good topic sentence. Number 5, it says, if possible, all college students should spend some time studying in a foreign country. Well, this is not a good topic sentence, because it has an overgeneralization, and it asks all college students to study in a foreign country, which is not possible. Okay, so this is not a good topic sentence. You will have here the exercise corrected. The exercise corrected here. We said that students who study abroad often can't speak the language well. This is not a good topic sentence. Number 2, studying abroad has 3 main advantages. It's a good topic sentence, and we said that 3 main advantages is the controlling idea. And here I would like to tell you that the fact of the existence of a controlling idea makes the topic sentence a good one, as it makes the writer conscious of what he is going to write about. Okay, so here 3 main advantages is the controlling idea. Number 3, I believe this for several reasons. We said that this is not a good topic sentence. Number 4, there are many good schools in foreign countries. This is a good topic sentence, and here the controlling idea is many good schools. The writer here is going to show the reader how those schools are good in the foreign country, and in what way those schools are good. So this is a controlling idea. Okay. The last topic sentence is, if possible, all college students should spend some time studying in a foreign country. We said that this is not a good topic sentence, as it starts with if possible, which is not a good start for a topic sentence, and also it has another generalization. When we say all college students, this is another generalization. Other generalization means they generalize this to all the students, which is not possible. If we say some college students, it will be better than if we say all college students, because that's not possible. Okay, so knowing the best topic sentence is very important in our course. Also, knowing the controlling ideas is important also in this course. So our students should be able to know which is a good topic sentence and which is not, and they should also be able to identify the controlling ideas in topic sentences. This is an important part of the exam. In the exam, you will be asked, given 4 sentences, sentence A, B, C, and D, and you will be asked to identify or to choose the best topic sentence. Also, you will be given a topic sentence, and you will be asked to find the part which has the controlling idea in the topic sentence. So this is a very important point in our course and in the exam. We will finish this topic today, or we will finish this lecture today by giving you an exercise. Your exercise will be exercise 11, page 8. Exercise 11, page 8. It's a homework in which you will be asked to write a topic sentence for the topic you chose. In fact, the first step was choosing the topic, and I asked you to choose between the advantages of a large college or the advantages of a small college. And now I am asking you to write your topic sentence for the topic you chose. This is your homework for next time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.